Bitcoin pumped to a new all-time high and hard rejected just before reaching $125,000. All of this happened in one day. What's fueling this volatility? Well, a surprise spike in wholesale inflation. The US PPI surged 0.9% in July, well above forecasts, combined with the US Treasury confirming they won't be buying any more Bitcoin for a strategic reserve. All of this, from a fundamental standpoint, dropped the market, and that's on top of a sell signal and trades in favor high reading from a technical analysis standpoint that results in drops. We're looking for a move down, potentially back to $112,000. And with that, let's break down what this means for Bitcoin next. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, we have 308 wins and 0 losses in our membership trades. You're going to want to pay attention to altcoin sell limits. We have new sell limits active, and Trav is going to be revealing his 5-year investing master plan. If you are a member, you're going to want to watch this as soon as possible for a holistic investing strategy involving more than just one crypto. It's a multi-layered approach that benefits from both economic collapse and expansion. If you're a member, watch that as soon as possible, and if you're not, you can sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Some quick market context before we dive into the analysis. As a member, you can access our Morning Brew overviews, and we don't usually show this. This is typically members-only content. But the crucial news that we posted today is very important. First up, let's talk about crypto prices quickly sliding after troubling US PPI report. In this article, it talks about how wholesale inflation balloons to over 0.9% month over month and 3.3% year over year, erasing hopes for a near-term federal funds rate cut. And this is part of what triggered a sharp sell-off. Next, Bitcoin drops below $119,000. As U.S. Treasury Secretary rules out new Bitcoin buys, another big blow to the cryptocurrency market. Just wanted to give some context for what we're going to be talking about there. All right, let's dive into the analysis. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Let's change this to yellow again so it's easier to see. First up, the TC top and bottom finder just posted a sell signal a couple of days ago. Now, we did see a move up right after that, but we are now seeing a sharp drop below this level. So this is now considered a confirmation. And this is happening as we nearly touched onto this red line here. Most often, this is acting as major resistance. And when we touch it, this is where we're seeing drops. We are now approaching the blue midline, which is often going to act as support. And if we drop below this, it is a confirmed downtrend. Watch this one very closely. Next, price versus wall money flow is in the middle of its chart and is now touching the midline here. As whales are selling out of the market, this is not helping the move down because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. You see the green line drop, this is where price drops too. So if this continues, expect larger moves down in the near future. Trades in favor just popped out of the short trade zone and still has a 64% chance of a drop. It's not until we get about a 75% chance of a pump or higher that we're really looking for a bullish reversal. Speaking of which, when looking to enter a trade, we want to see a buy or a strong buy signal, opposite of what we just got. We want to see price versus whale money flow low, with whale money beginning to buy back into the market. Again, opposite of what we have right now. Trades in favor in the long trade zone is the final entry signal that we need to form a bullish trifecta. And a bullish trifecta is what our traders have used to earn 308 wins and 0 losses. The combination of these signals, even if it's just 2 of them, is highly bullish. So as the price drops, this is what we're going to be looking for. If this bearish price action holds, expect a pull down to $112,000 or lower, especially if momentum continues accelerating to the downside. The bullish case, this is less likely, but if we end up seeing whale money buying back into the market and we bounce from this midline, a clean bounce to the all-time high. I forgot to mention, we have a new all-time high, $124,600. A break of that level could bring us to $128,000, but I don't think this is nearly as likely. If you are holding long, guys, this could be a good entry to dollar cost average into the market. If you are not and are looking to find an entry, same deal. Look for that buy signal, price versus while money flow low, and trades in favor low in order to buy back in. Now, this is not financial advice, of course. I'm not telling you when or if you should enter, but this is what we're using and our traders are using to make insane wins. If you are not using our tools yet, you can access them with a membership for up to $550 off for the maximum discounts. And that's on top of money-making benefits like the Morning Brew overviews, future forecast videos, trade setups, and more. If you want to maximize your discount, links are in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started, and from here we're going to head to the indicator tab. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for, and members, your first $150 off can be found with this coupon code here. Click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's Future Forecast episode. Don't miss out.